Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be creating NavMesh AI. So NavMesh AI helps game characters move around by creating a map of walkable areas like this. So if I move this game object all the way here, you see that the blue cube is finding the shortest path towards the sphere here. So this is what we'll be making in this video. So if I move this here, it's gonna go around that area and get to this sphere. Now let's make it. So let's start. So we need to download a package that will enable us to use this NavMesh. So we need to go to Windows, then go to Package Manager, and then you have to search Nav here, and then you will get this AI navigation. Just install it. This might take some time. Okay, so it's done downloading. So after that, go to Windows and go to AI, then click on this. So we get this window here. So now we need to say where the NavMesh can walk. So what we'll do is we'll select everything that's here, and you have to check this box, navigation static, and then go to bake, and also you can set the agent radius as 2, and let's bake this. And after that, let's make the AI. So let's just create a cube. So this will be our AI. So I'll just place it here, and now go to the inspector and add component, then type nav, and then you'll get some nav mesh stuff here. So you need to click on this nav mesh agent component and add it like this. And now we need to make one simple script. So I'll just name the script nav mesh, and let's go inside this. And now what I'll do is uh, first we need to create a reference for that nav mesh agent component. So we'll say public, or don't make this public, we'll make this private. Nav mesh. So before that we have to type using Unity engine dot AI. So now we have access to the NavMesh agent. So now let's type NavMesh agent or whatever you want to name this variable. So in the start function we'll say agent dot equal to get component NavMesh agent. Okay, so now after that, let's say, so we need an object which this agent should follow. So for that, let's say public is not supposed to be in capital. Public game object object, or whatever you want to name this variable. So now what we need to do is we have to type agent dot set set destination uh, ob- object dot transform dot position. So this is enough to make the AI follow any object. So now let's go back to the Unity editor, wait for this to compile, and now I'll just create a sphere which this thing has to follow. So I'll just attach this NavMesh here, and now it's asking for this object here. I'll just put the sphere here, and now let's see whether this is working. Let me move the sphere somewhere else far away, like somewhere here should be good. And let me just move the camera a bit backward so I can see where this thing is. Okay, now you can see that this cube is moving towards that sphere. Okay,